Hey everyone, I'm back again. So in today's video, um, I had a little incident where one of my dreadlocks fucking broke off. Here it is. Yeah, you can see it like broke off like by the root. Anyway, um, so I thought I'd do a video on showing you how you can actually reattach a dreadlock if it broke off. And let's see. I'm trying to remember where this broke off. I think it broke off near my nape, but actually I'm gonna try and reattach it to another short one that broke off, and I lost the piece in the front. So just so you can see it better. So let me see. So yeah, let's see. That one I lost two in the front that broke off. I like got my hair caught in the drawer, slammed the drawer, and there went my lock. So let's see. This one, this one. How about this one? Is that one? I want a really short one to do here. Let's see a shorty here. How about this one? Maybe? Is that short enough? All right, let me see if it. So, yeah. First, you want to make sure keep your broken dread, and yeah, make sure it matches up to the width of what you're trying to attach it to. If you're not trying to reattach it close to the scalp where it broke off, like mine. God, it looks painful. So I'm going to just use this one. And what you're going to need, you need a tool. You're going to need a very small crochet hook like this. This is a 10/1.30 millimeter hook, or like this one. This one is a 1.00 millimeter. You can get these at the craft store, Joann Fabrics, Hobby Lobby. Get them online, Amazon, so on and so forth. So you're going to take your broken dread and the base of the hair you want to attach it to, whether it's, you know, near your scalp or to an existing dread. I don't know, this one's kind of long. Let me see if I can find a shorter one to attach it to. And that's good. My locks have always been layered because my hair was layered when I started them, so I've got a lot that are shorter than others. Oh wait, that one's sticking out like pick me. Here's the pick me one. Pick me, pick me. Let me see, is it the right length? Yeah, I guess I could do that. Okay, so you take the dreadlock and you overlap it, the broken dread, and you overlap it with the one that you want to attach it to. Line it up, and then you take your tool, you hold it, and then you start poking your tool into the secure lock into the one you're going to attach. Hook it through, and then you start pulling the hairs from the broken one in. And what you're trying to do is get them to mesh together. So it's very much like the same technique I use when I'm trying to tighten my locks or like pulling loose hairs. So you go in and pull the other hairs from the one you want to attach in. Can you see this? I'm trying to make it so you can see. So see, I'm sticking it in there and I'm pulling. And then once you get it kind of secure, start rolling it together. And then go back in there and then just start really knotting it up like this while you're twisting your fingers. And see, it's starting to attach now. See, I can take my fingers away and it's holding. And so you do that all the way down the length till you got it nice and secure. And you go in and out. Ouch. Careful you don't poke your fingers. You know, and knotting it up, getting the hairs all commingled. Go down. Okay, see how it's attaching? And you're going to keep going down all the way till the end, till there's nothing sticking out, and pulling all those loose hairs. Get it nice and ow, shit. I just stabbed myself in the finger. Alright, you don't have to be that aggressive. Wow, I just stabbed myself in the finger, so don't do that. But anyway, twist as you go along. Watch your fingers. Hell, you might even want to put a thimble on when you do this. So don't be all aggro like me, but yeah. Or keep your fingers out of the way at least. And then you can break into a palm roll to help get them twisted in there. And then keep going so you get it all nice and secure with no glue, no thread, none of that stuff. Just trying to get it to, you know, integrate and lock in there, back in there. And go in from different angles. And twist, twist, compress, compress. So hey, we're almost there. Look, this looks pretty good. Let me just do a little bit more with this. The very end is still sticking out, so I'm going to go in from my existing lock, pull it in, pull it in, pull it in, and now let's do some rapid. I call this bird nesting. And then twist it, compress it. Almost there. And knot it up. Bird nest it. Twist, 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 twist. Palm roll. And voila! Look at this. Looks like I never lost a dread. And you can also use this technique, I guess, if you want to cheat and get lock extensions pre-made. This is how you attach them. So, same technique. So, there you go, guys. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. And if you have any questions, anything you want to see, put a request in the comments. Okay. See you next time.